In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to access and use Grok on Twitter, also known as X. By the end, you'll be comfortable opening Grok, starting a conversation, and keeping it going to get helpful AI-powered answers right inside the platform you already use. First, open the Twitter app on your phone or tablet, or visit the official Twitter website in your browser. Make sure you're on the latest version of the app for the best experience, and confirm you have a stable internet connection, so everything loads smoothly. Once the app or site is open, sign into your account. Logging in gives you access to all the features you need to use Grok. From the main navigation menu, look for Grok. On mobile, this may appear in the side menu or along the bottom navigation depending on your layout. On desktop, check the left-hand menu. When you spot it, select Grok to open the AI chat screen. If you don't see it yet, features can roll out gradually, so updating your app can help. By the way, I've placed the official app download link and the website link right at the top of the description to make this even easier if you need them. With the Grok interface open, you'll see a message input field at the bottom. Click or tap into the box and type your prompt. This can be a question, a request, or a simple command. Be as clear as you can. For example, instead of writing help with summary, try summarize this article in 3 bullet points and give me 2 key takeaways. If context matters, include it in the same message so Grok has everything it needs to respond accurately. When you're ready, press enter on your keyboard or tap the send icon to submit your prompt. Grok will start generating a response and display it directly in the chat. Give it a moment to process. If you don't see anything appear, quickly check your connection or try resending the message. You can scroll within the chat to review earlier prompts and answers at any time. From here, just keep the conversation going. Ask follow-up questions, refine your request, or provide more details to steer the results. You can enter a new prompt whenever you like to explore different topics or dig deeper into the same one. That's how you access and use Grok on Twitter with an easy setup. Thanks for watching.